be doing a video on Tiny Tanks Roblox. Here joined by my sister.
Hi guys.
And my mum.
Hi.
So, yes, like I said, we are going to be doing a Tiny Tanks video. Hope you like the intro. Just figured it out today. And, well, hope you enjoy. I'm back and this guy is on it. There's only one person since this is a very old server I just loaded up. Extremely old. Like, now I'm very mad at the same time because the person I'm against. I want a harder person because this guy is pretty good, but I want someone else to be on my team. So, yeah. Still, I love this game. I'm not going to change a thing with one person. There's two people. I'm Pro 148. I'm giving you a shout out. And Nightwalker TV, I'm giving you a shout out. There we go. Let's get this. So, that guy just left. That means we're probably going to win because there's no reds to go again. Woo! Everybody clap your hands. Just me? Okay.
Just you.
Minecraft monkey, go with the post grenade. Is that guy trying to shoot me? There's no way he can anyway. It's not possible. Everybody clap your hands. I love that. It's a real song as well, so. Everybody clap your hands. I only came on this Tiny Tank server because if there's one person, it's absolutely fine. Well, actually, I'm still going to win, so I might as well. I'm going to put LOL. There. LOL. There's no one here, you know. I'm Pro. You do it. I thought he was a pro. He's really not. Look. If he shoots me, he won't be able. He's not a pro, is he? He's probably a pro at Fortnite or something like. You know, Fortnite's now the gig now. Did you know it actually originated in 2013? I know, right? That's so weird. So, yeah, I know it is funny. So, I'm actually going to try and find a... Let's jailbreak instead, yeah? Let's go. We're going to do a bit of jailbreak since that video, that part of Tiny Tanks didn't really go too well. So, yeah. Let's go on to jailbreak. So, we're going to be, police, because we like to catch some criminals, don't we, sis?
Yeah.
Always have to start area of the bases. Let's get the shotgun because why not? Someone else could have gone in there, but I don't care if they are. If I have to go round again, I'll... Yes, phew. I did have to go round again. Get my taser out. So anyone that tried pocketing me, I'll just taser them, arrest them. I'll pretend I'm AK, and then catch this guy. Do they think I'm A? Do any of them think I am? I'm definitely. Why is he shooting me? That floating head. Oh, let's go. Get that alarm off, please. Thank you. It seems like there's an update. There's a ramp now here. Whoop. Okay, this all the time here. I do not like it. I certainly don't think you like it when I get a tiny bit angry. Smelly? The only thing that's smelly is you. Oh! Okay, let's go. I need a car, but it will change when I get in. Look, ready? Baddie Mo. Let's go this way and see if anyone's gonna rob. Donut shop. it's called. No, that in the crack of the thing, there, you get a UFO. Where's the UFO? And it will appear in here. Look, that. But you have to pay Robux for that, and I certainly don't have Robux, but I use it. No, I don't. And then we will go to the museum, and then end the video. Oh look, museum. It's not mine. Museum. Let's go to the museum. But I don't care. It's just making it a lot easier for them people. Oh guys, did you see that? There should be a new thing where you can pull the window down and start out and your arm. Them people do. I can't get in train. I'm in train. I'm following train. Haha. No, no! I need to catch that. There it is. Okay. Catch up on him. Yes. Let's go. Go, go, go. Go! We need to go now. I'll wait out here until someone's in the UFO. Haha, you can't run a police person over. Also, I'll quickly get my gloves out, so when he drives at me, I'll quickly exit people in the car. Haha, you don't know things, do you? Haha! Let me in. Should be able to arrest that guy. Don't say he locked it. Good. He'll think that's the police officer. I'm gonna pretend it's like me. So, let's go back and finish the video. Bye! That's all from me. See you guys later.
Bye, guys.
Bye!